today's video we are learning Danish numbers from 1 to 100.
An important topic, especially if you are preparing for Danish language exams. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to confidently say everything from your age to your phone number in Danish. So let's learn together.
Alright, first let's learn the numbers from 0 to 10. These are the basics and you will use them all the time. Here they are. 0, 1 og 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's repeat. 0, 1 og 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's move on to the next group, 11 to 20. You will need to memorize these, but don't worry, it's not too hard. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Repeat. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Before we move on to the numbers from 21 to 100, let's take a moment to learn about the tens and the number 100. Understanding these numbers is important because you will use them frequently when counting higher numbers. So let's dive in. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's repeat. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now that we know the tens, let's learn how to make bigger numbers in Danish. In Danish, numbers from 21 to 99 are formed by saying the ones first, followed by O, which means and then the tens. This means the order of the ones and tens is often reversed compared to English. For example, 21 is 1 og 2. You say 1 first, then O, and finally 2. 56 is 6 og 50. You say 6 first, then O, and finally 50. It might feel a little tricky at first, but with practice, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just remember ones first, then O, and finally the tens. Let's get started. Now that you know how to combine numbers with tens, let's count all the way from 21 to 100. Don't worry, it's just the same pattern repeated for each group of tens. I will guide you through it. Let's start. 1 og 20, 2 og 20, 3 og 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's see how well you have understood Danish numbers so far. What is this number in Danish? Write the answer in the comments below. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Your support inspires me to create more useful Danish videos like this. Tak for i dag. Vi ses næste gang.